Hi friends, it's your guy Eli Levi and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a beautiful, easy, out the door makeup routine. It literally took 6 or 7 different products. It's just a quick thing to even your skin tone out, to make you look, awake and ready to go without looking like you just woke up, you know what I'm saying? And also, you don't need to put in all that time, so it doesn't mean that, you spent 45 minutes beating your face. It's like that kind of, easy girl on the go. Unfortunately, this time has come again. My microphone. Ooh, we know so much about my microphone. We have a love-hate relationship, and this time we really have a hate relationship. It decided to give me really bad feedback for this video, and I'm so frustrated because I really wanted to edit this video with all of the sound. I did this video in collaboration with Miss Dhael Monfiston. She is one of my close friends from a leadership seminar I did, Hobie, and I was so happy that she came over. So I'm really frustrated that I have to voice over the entire video. I'm so happy that I filmed with Dhael because her skin is perfection, okay? So, oh my god. I wouldn't want to do this video with anyone else, honestly. The look I did on her was so subtle. It was glowy, it was beautiful, very blushy. Obviously, I mean, you look what you're talking about. You're on my channel, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All products that I'll be using on my channel, of course, are cruelty-free. That being said, let's get into the song. Cruelty-free or it's not for me. Hey, what up, t-shirt reference? If you want to know how to get a beautiful, easy 5-10 minute out the door makeup routine, if you want to know what products I use on Dhael, then make sure to keep on watching. Alrighty, let's get started with this amazing voiceover that I really want to do right now. Yay! So first off, we're going to start off with our Becca First Light Primer. It's a beautiful hydrating primer that we're going to use on the outside portion of Dhael's face, just to make everything hydrated and moisturized. And then on the inside portion of her face, we're going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas, obviously one of my favorites. We're just going to do a little pore filling moment, kind of blur everything out, and it helps reduce any oils that she can build up possibly throughout the day, just in the T-zone, something really cute. So instead of a BB cream, we decided to go in with a concealer. That way we just brighten up any dull areas. We're using the Smashbox 24-hour concealer just under her eyes. We decided to add a little bit more coverage in little areas that she might need it, just a little on the forehead, a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the cheeks. Nothing too much, just a little bit, because you just want to be in and out on the go. Next, I'm using one of my favorite powders ever. It's the Bakerie Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to make sure to tap out any creases that she has underneath her eyes before I set it. I love this powder so much because it's perfect for all skin tones and types. Now I'm using a blush, of course, and I'm blushing up her skin using the Milani Luminoso Blush. It also acts as a highlighter because of how glowy it is. So I just applied that to the apples of her cheeks. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? And then I applied some to the nose just to add a little highlight and some warmth with the blush. And I added it right above on the forehead just for uniformity. And wow, she looks glowy everywhere. Since we are that gal on the go, we don't have time to fill in our brows. So right now I'm using a clear brow gel. Luckily she has beautiful thick brows, and we're just gonna put them in place, make sure that they don't go crazy on us throughout the day. If you do need to fill in your brows, you can, but this is just a step that we decided to skip. Now we're using the Fenty Lip Gloss in the shade Universal. This gloss bomb is absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe Dhael doesn't have this already because it looked so good on her. Look at that. Her lips look huge and glossy. I mean, given they already are pretty big, but still, this gloss adds an extra oomph. And wow, it looks absolutely stunning on her. Now we're using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, and yeah, I couldn't focus it to save my life, but whatever, it's not the point. We're only adding that on the perimeters of our face just to add that glow, but we don't want to put it on the center of our face because we're trying to keep that as oil-free as possible. I went in with the Beauty Blender again just to make sure everything melts together and is beautiful. Then I had her curl her lashes, and I was kind of afraid to curl them for her. And then she's gonna apply the KUSH mascara from Milk Makeup. I have the same one, which is kind of cute. But yeah, so she just applied it. You don't have to apply mascara, but she wanted to. And I think it really opens the eyes and makes everything look beautiful. And yeah, so I'm going to add a little bit of setting spray just because I want to. And then the look is complete. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you want to follow Dhael, I'll have everything down below. She has her own vlogging YouTube channel. It's actually really fun. The videos are only like 5 minutes, and she's so quirky, she's so lovely, she's so funny, and I really suggest that you guys go down and subscribe to her. We love to support other small YouTubers on this side of YouTube. I'm actually in part of her vlog, the next one that's going on, so make sure to look out for that. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, almost every Tuesday, sometimes Wednesday, I don't know. Don't fight me. But make sure that you hit that notification bell to get notified when I actually do upload. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, today's video with Dhael. I know you really didn't get to hear her because of my stupid microphone, but I promise you the next video, the microphone's perfectly fine. Also because I didn't use it, but that's the real tea. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.